Hey everyone, at Computex 2025, Tecno made a resounding statement that it is no longer content being seen merely as a smartphone manufacturer. With its ambitious Mega Leap with AI campaign, the brand took center stage in Taipei, revealing an expansive lineup of interconnected AI-powered devices. Among these, the undisputed highlight was the Tecno Megabook S16, a flagship laptop that marks a bold step forward in the company's evolution into a serious AI hardware contender. The Megabook S16 is Tecno's most powerful AI PC to date, and it reflects a deliberate shift from spec-driven devices to fully integrated smart systems. At its core, the S16 houses an Intel Core i9-1390HK processor, a 14-core beast paired with Intel Arc graphics, giving it the performance chops for heavy-duty computing and content creation. But more importantly, it's the software integration and ecosystem synergy that make the S16 stand out. Tecno has embedded its own edge-based AI model directly into the device, allowing it to perform complex AI tasks offline without needing cloud support. The S16 doesn't just work in isolation, it thrives when paired with other Tecno devices. The company's OneLeap system enables smooth cross-device functionality, allowing users to share files, mirror screens, and multitask between their Tecno smartphone, tablet, watch, and laptop with barely a hiccup. This seamless interconnectivity feels like a genuine attempt to rival established ecosystems like those from Apple or Samsung. Beyond performance and connectivity, Tecno has layered in a suite of AI-powered tools that enhance productivity and media management. The S16 comes with an AI image gallery that not only organizes your photos, but syncs them intelligently with your phone for contextual search and categorization. During meetings, the laptop can transcribe conversations in real time and even summarize them, aided by its built-in GPT-based assistant powered by DeepSeek v3. For presentations, there's local slide creation via AI, streamlining workflows without sending your data to external servers. The Megabook S16 is part of a larger family of new AI-infused devices Tecno debuted at Computex. These include the ultralight T14 Air, the sub-900 grams Megabook S14 OLED, and two affordable K-series laptops, all of which run the same AI platform. On the wearable front, Tecno's Watch GT and True 2 earbuds support voice assistance, spatial audio, and Bluetooth dual-mode calling, underscoring the company's push toward a truly interconnected user experience. Perhaps the most futuristic reveal was Tecno's new AI glasses. These aren't just a novelty, they feature object detection, real-time translation, voice control, and notification summaries, all of which link tightly with Tecno's other devices. By combining glasses, watches, earphones, phones, and PCs under one intelligent umbrella, Tecno isn't just offering products, it's designing an ecosystem. The Megabook S16 thus serves as the flagship not just of a new laptop series, but of an entire philosophy. Tecno's vision is centered on accessible AI, local processing power, and ecosystem-first thinking. While the S16 may not rewrite the rulebook for laptops on its own, it symbolizes a much larger transformation for the brand. At Computex 2025, Tecno didn't just launch a device, they launched their bid to be taken seriously as a leading name in AI hardware. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day, and God bless you.